I'm trying to upload my video and you're doing this to me. How pathetic I am. How pathetic, how pathetic, how pathetic.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe
Thank you for announcing the
North Central Perry County
NWS station.
At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Somerset, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts sending long ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Somerset and Glenford.